So we're jacking up the second post here going into the right hand side. The others are all looking really good. We've already jacked them up quite a bit. So the other thing I notice is it leans out a little bit, and I don't think we can remedy it total, but I do think we can adjust it a little bit, plus add some support down here. So I dug it out. I got a little pry going there. I'm gonna leave that in while I concrete this. I'm gonna put this back in to fill some of the space, but concrete that pretty much full, at least leaning up that way. Maybe leave a trough on this side for water to run through. And then over here, this has been bothering me all along. We have an offset going on here. It's as if this whole thing was shifted out. But yet the post looks like it's pretty much in line. If you look up here, if it shifted out that much, it should be obviously off, but it doesn't really look it. Now that looks a little crooked up there, but I can straighten that out by moving the top out just a little bit. So the other thing I notice is if you look at the paint job here, I don't know if you can see that, but underneath here, this has been out. When they painted it, this was out. This is painted underneath